Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you the best Mido watches for men based on specifications. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button. Number 9. Mido Multifort Power Reserve Watch. The Multifort Power Reserve watch stands out for its sporty and urban design. With a diameter of 42 millimeters, the Swiss watch is equipped with the caliber 80 automatic movement, offering up to 80 hours of autonomy. The power reserve indicator is displayed on the dial. Case material, stainless steel with anthracite PVD coating. Thickness, 13.1. Case length, millimeter 42.00. Functions, date, power reserve, movement, automatic water resistance, 100 meters. Number 8. Mido Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Limited Edition Watch. Case material, titanium. Bracelet material, textile. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Thickness, 12 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 100 meters. Bezel material, titanium crystal, sapphire crystal. Number 7. Mido Ocean Star Automatic Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver-tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating green ceramic bezel. Green dial with silver-tone hands and dot hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown, case size, 42.5 millimeters. Fold-over with diving extension clasp. Water-resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 6. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph Watch. This exceptional Swiss watch is a tribute to the brand's oldest and most iconic chronograph, the Multichrono from 1937. It has a domed dial placed under a sapphire glassbox crystal and is equipped with a tachymeter scale. Automatic movement offers a powerful reserve of up to 60 hours. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Thickness, 15.2. Case length, 42.00. Functions, date, chronograph, small second movement. Automatic water resistance, 100 meters. Number 5. Mido Multifort Chronometer Automatic Blue Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog, automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.99 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Fold-over clasp with a push-button release. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 4. Mido Commander Big Date Watch celebrated the 100th anniversary of the brand in 2018. Its large date aperture at 6 o'clock offers unrivaled date legibility. The sunray satin finish dial is extremely pure and protected by elegant round case in satin finish, stainless steel, and enhanced by polished bezel. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Case length, 42.00. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 100 meters. Number 3. Mido Baroncelli Traditional Swiss Watch. The harmonious lines and subtle curves bestow both a rare sense of elegance and tradition on this classical collection. Fitted with the latest generation technology, the automatic movement can be admired through the transparent case back. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Case length, 39.00. Functions, small, second, movement. Manual, water resistance, 100 meters. Number 2. Mido Baroncelli watch. With the Baroncelli signature, Mido has created a mechanical and aesthetic success that is a perfect expression of its watchmaking know-how. Intensely chic and timeless, this Swiss watch houses an automatic movement. Case material, stainless steel. Case shape, round. Width, millimeter, 39.00. Case length, millimeter, 39.00. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 100 meters. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star GMT watch. Mido enriches its Ocean Star collection with a version equipped with a very practical GMT function. It clearly displays the time in 2 different time zones, home time and local time. On the back of the watch equipped, the extremely easy-to-use GMT function offers twice the freedom for those in the middle of the ocean or on an adrenaline-filled adventure. Case material, steel. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 200 meters.